Dawn thrives in full swing beside a beautiful Bohai Bay as a splendid sunrise. Dawn builds golden glories hand in hand with thousands of employees embracing the passion of integrating into the tides of economy. Dawn, a large-scale national corporate group in China, contains more than 20 subsidiaries covering 7 major industries including chemical plastics, new polymer materials, titanium dioxide, logistics and core, financial services, construction materials, and tourism and catering. The company ranks into top 500 of Chinese private enterprises and has won over 100 honors like Excellent Private Science and Technology Enterprise of China. In the January of 2017, subsidiary Dawn Polymer Company Limited successfully listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange. Scientific and technological innovation drives Dawn to advance. Building the delicate Park Zone and Dawn Centennial Blueprint. Dawn has 4 affiliated national high-tech enterprises, including Dawn Polymer Company Limited, Dawn Titanium Industry, Qingdao Renqing Plastic, and KPIC Dawn Polymer Shanghai, and 9 high-end scientific research platforms, which undertakes 25 provincial and national scientific and technological projects with 9 grand trophies of above provincial level, including national second prize of technological invention, is the forerunner of Chinese TPE industry. Longkou New Energy and New Material Industrial Park, which was built and managed by Dawn, is a comprehensive industrial base centering on high technology and integrating port vicinity industry, logistics, business office, living and culture leisure. It concentrates on constructing an industrial chain with new polymer materials, titanium dioxide, and logistics as the core. 8 major innovation platforms gather international elites. 5 major function areas push forward 7 major industries. Chemical plastic industry. Dawn leads the chemical plastic industry in China. The marketing center for Dawn sets more than 20 offices in China, which mainly engages in various synthetic resins and synthetic rubbers with more than 500 grades, and serves as regional first-level distributors or agents for more than 20 domestic and overseas large-scale petrochemical companies, such as PetroChina, Sinopec, China Coal, Senhua, Taiwan Zhimei, and KPIC, with sales ranking top of the national industry. Dawn International Trading Company is an enterprise with a senior customs certification and keeps long-term cooperation with excellent enterprises from over 30 countries and regions like America, Canada, India, and Korea. Dawn Polymer is a leader of the domestic polymer materials industry. Dawn Polymer is the only full dynamic vulcanization thermoplastic elastomer manufacturer in China, specially engaged in R&D of thermoplastic materials and plastic compounds which are widely used in automobiles, household appliances, electronics, rail transit, medical treatment, and construction industries. Its holding company, Qingdao Renqing Company, is a Chinese well-known supplier of master batches for household appliances and functional master batches. The joint venture KPIC Dawn Polymer Shanghai has an annual capacity of 100,000 tons of compound production. With international advanced technologies and equipment, the Dawn Mold Company is specialized in design and production of small and medium-sized precision plastic molds like bicolor molds and formation and assembling of plastic products. Their product won the customer trust by creative design and precise quality. Dawn Titanium is the green energy leader of the titanium industry. Dawn Titanium Industry Company produces titanium dioxide by taking rich titanium materials as the raw material. Becomes the typical project China's environmental-friendly and circular economy. Dawn rutile titanium dioxide is widely used in areas such as paint, paper making, plastics, and printing ink with excellent quality. Dawn Core Industry refers to the original well-known large-scale logistics center. Dawn Logistics is a national 3A standard logistic enterprise. First, a lot of a key logistic company in Shandong province, which owns gigantic resources, including special railway lines, 10,000 tonnage of freighters and a standard transportation fleet, and operates a shipping agency for domestic and foreign trade. Three-party logistic business by container, road, air and international express, storage, loading and unloading and bulk commodity trades like coal. Dawn Renhe Company mainly sells coal, which is the biggest thermal coal trader and one of the biggest gasified coal traders. Dawn Financial Service Industry is an emerging industry. Dawn Shengrong Small Loan Company widely does businesses of small loan and consultation for enterprise development, management and finance by targeting 3 rural issues and small and medium enterprises. Dawn Construction Material Industry represents green development. Yantai Chemical Design Institute is specialized in chemicals, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals industry design, evaluation and detection of occupational disease hazards. Bricks and pavers produced by Dawn Building Material Company are sold abroad. Dawn Engineering Construction Company is specialized in project construction related to municipal projects, water conservation, land rehabilitation, and landscaping. Dawn Tourism and Catering Industry is the window of a company image. Yantai Dawn Hotel, Yantai Dawn Tourism Agency, Dawn Lakeside Hotel, and Dawn Business Center created tourism brand integrating travel, catering, conference, training, entertainment, and relaxation. Dawn Lake Business Trade Mall, Dawn Farmers Wholesale Market, Dawn Lake Park, and Dawn Culture Square are carriers of bringing convenience to residents and taking social responsibility. Dawn's mission is to develop enterprise, benefit employees, and return to society. The constant pursuit of Dawn people is to cultivate people with a culture, serve the nation through industry, and build a centennial Dawn. The eternal belief of Dawn people is to dance with a graceful melody, jointly build a beautiful homeland, and enjoy happy life. Dawn adhered to the idea of the people-oriented science and technology enterprises, has created an excellent leading team with a proactive thinking, united aggression, and trained high-quality employees who love Dawn, be loyal to Dawn, and contribute to Dawn. Dawn actively takes part in various social welfare causes, setting a model for aiding the poor, caring for the weak, and donating for education. Diligence is rewarded by God. Virtue is highly regarded in the society. Honesty reaps praise in human communication. Good credit benefits those in business. Perfect skills give advantage to those in their professions. With the dream and hope of building a modern, technological and international century enterprise, Dawn, the business aircraft carrier, is selling out towards the world. To be diligent for the work, to be grateful for the society, Dawn Group.